Welcome back to another video. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you liked this video.
Seriously, what the are you doing that out here?
When nature calls, there's no holding back for anyone. Oh, hell no. That's not cool, dude.
Shut up, guess my fart, round 2.
Needs to have some special bond for her to guess his fart. You sound like you're kick-starting your motorbike, my guy. No way. Mom, that's not cool. Oh, what a legend.
Golly! That was a good one! Oh my goodness!
Get me the hell out of here. What?
I gotta talk to you about the flooding. People are starting to complain. Like, I'm getting actual complaints right now.
Are you serious? What happened to you as a child?
Oh my, that got the customer's attention for sure. You evil bastard.
My wife literally just farted in Walmart and shit her pants.
What the heck?
She's trying
Is
to
this
hurry
for
up
real?
and go to the bathroom. Yes, she shit her pants. Everything work out in the bathroom?
Not good.
Not good?
No.
Did you shit your thong?
Yes.
Let's see if she gets this one right.
Alright, we're gonna do part 2 on the fart bag, but we're doing it on my mom today.
Oh dear, another fart bag. This can't end well.
Hey mom.
Poor mom.
Open this up, I got lotion on my hands and I can't get a
You can't open it?
No.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified when we post new videos.